Good morning from Anchorage, Alaska. Tyler and I have nothing planned today. We're doing a complete chore day, so we thought we'd take you guys along a day in the life video. We did one of these last year and some people really liked it. So off to do chore number one. Tyler wants to tell you guys something.
I saw a moose earlier. It's my favorite animal, so I was pretty excited.
A lot of people in Alaska go grocery shopping at Costco. Tyler and I don't. We usually go to Fred's or Walmart. We don't need too much today, so we'll see what the total is. Every time we go grocery shopping at Fred's, I like to power up with a coffee to enjoy as we go grocery shopping.
Thank you. It's on sale. They're only $2.50.
I'll be honest, we didn't have too much to buy today, so our total for everything ended up being $80.90, which is not bad. And honestly, I think Tyler's Fred card helps out a lot because we got a lot of coupons and discounts that way. So on to our next stop. Tyler and I have been doing a lot of thrifting the last couple of weeks because we're trying to fill our condo with all the furniture pieces we need. And thrifting is a lot cheaper than purchasing them all and shipping them up here. So we're gonna go check out some of the thrift stores and keep our fingers crossed for some good finds.
First stop is Goodwill.
Goodwill!
It is usually really packed.
Probably won't do much filming in there. Unfortunately, bless you.
Thank you.
Unfortunately, that was a bust. Didn't find anything in there that I really felt like we needed, so we'll try one more spot before heading home for the day.
There was a lot of people in there. I think they got all the deals before we got there. Second stop for thrifting? Value Village.
Apparently, it's just not a good day for thrifting because no finds there either.
Sad day.
But we're gonna head home now, put some of the groceries away. So Tyler and I pretty much spent the better part of the afternoon doing some chores. We had to file taxes, had to plan Korea, and had some lunch while enjoying the Olympics that are going on right now.
It must be windy. Look at his pants.
Oh! Why did I think he wiped out?
I don't know. I didn't know if it was... Wow.
But since we're finally done with all of our chores, it's time to have some fun.
Nintendo 64, bringing it back to the good old days.
We actually play it a lot more than people probably think.
Yeah, we love this. It's so much fun.
Dun, dun, dun. What are we doing?
100? I'm gonna try digging it. Which one?
You choose.
This one.
Bing, bing. Oh no! Oh, we're so bad at this one.
We usually have to redo it like 10 times.
I know.
Our goal, not to redo it.
No.
Oh! Good game.
Who do you think won? I think I did.
I think I did.
I think I did.
Oh, you won. You beat me.
Haha.
Good job.
Thanks. Game number 2 is, of course, Monopoly Go.
I gotta win this one. One, two.
Oh my gosh, can I show you?
Winner, winner. Yeah.
3 houses. one hotel,
Oh.
2 blue and green rents. I just couldn't get anything.
Oh, that sucks.
Good game.
Good game. So now that my starter has at least doubled. All right, so this is my sourdough that I had in the refrigerator. Now I can make my sourdough bread, and then we have to let it sit overnight, and then I can have a fresh loaf in the morning. We have some alone time now. We have some downtime now, so I'm gonna make my bread, and hopefully the loaf turns out good.
So Tyler and I were playing a couple of rounds of Monopoly Go, and then we realized it was already getting dark outside. So because it's the weekend, we do usually kind of like to treat ourselves and eat out. We made our way to Raising Cane's for Tyler. Whoa!
Whoa! I almost spilled it.
You almost lost all your food!
My Raising Cane.
Panda Express for me.
Here's your dinner.
Perfect! That was so fast! And we decided to just chill out and watch a movie tonight. Even though this video was super short, we hope you enjoyed. We will see you guys on the next adventure. We have a pretty special place booked that we can't wait to show you guys, and we'll see you then. Bye!